Advanced prompting techniques. Now that you understand the 4 pillars of crafting effective prompts in Microsoft 365 Copilot, let's explore some advanced scenarios. Iterative prompting. I can use Copilot as a collaborative partner when I'm working with it and improve my results by follow-up prompts. I can start broad and say, draft a project charter, and then ask it to do things like refine the tone, the structure, the depth, or accuracy. I can use corrective feedback, add more technical details, remove some of the sales jargon, make this shorter, make this more professional. Iteration reduces errors, it helps align with my intent, and ultimately gives me higher quality final outputs. Let's see it in action. So this is my customer portal document that I've used to extract some key insights from. I've got an executive summary. And so I can say, can you rewrite this to be more detailed for a technical audience? And so it's given me a longer summary of the document. Or I can even work within parts of the document itself. Let's highlight this text. And let's say, can you rewrite the highlighted text to be longer and more detailed for a technical audience? And so it's done that. And I can now copy and paste this into my document. So that's how I can use Copilot as my collaboration partner to iterate through output with additional prompts. Do more of this, less of that, add this, remove that, those kinds of things.